Do you ever feel like your home is holding you back from the life you really want? A smaller home can actually lead to a bigger life. Imagine living with less stuff, more freedom, and more joy. Transforming your lifestyle into a smaller living space means less cleaning, more savings, more time, and more room for opportunities and adventures. For many of us, housing costs represent a really big chunk of our monthly budget, so downsizing just makes sense. But by embracing new ways of thinking about living, where, how, and with whom, you can even get more bang for your housing buck. This is a big, difficult step, but again, so worth the effort. Years ago, I bought a small house and really started thinking differently about my life and decided to invite my mom to move in with me. We're fortunate to enjoy each other's company, but we still had to compromise some personal space and privacy, both having lived alone for many, many years. But by doing this, we were able to both reduce our monthly overhead and have more freedom to travel and pursue other interests. You might be surprised how many people in your circle of friends and family could be interested in a home share situation. Again, thinking outside the box. I went through this process and then started encouraging others to do the same, which led me to create Downsizing for a Better Life. Just a short guide to help you get started on your journey to a simpler life. Comment below the word house or any of the house emojis, and I'll send you my free workbook.